Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube Make Station. My name is Gabrielle and I'm here to take you through some really fun drawing projects. Today we are doing one of my favorites. I feel like they're all my favorite, but really this one is so cute and it's so fun to make. We are going to be making this little elephant holding a little heart balloon. It's just the sweetest drawing. So you can choose a piece of paper or you can fold it in half and make it into a card. But any piece of paper will work, a pencil, a Sharpie, and anything to color it in. Amazing! And if you like making this little elephant with me, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, follow, send us your finished photos. We would love to see them and share them on our social media pages. And let's get started.
All right, so for our elephant, the very first thing we are going to do is we're going to start with a line for our elephant to stand on. And then we're going to do the front leg. So for the front leg, we're going to do the bottom half of a square like that, or a flat U shape. And then we're going to do the back legs. We're going to do the same shape, but just make it a little bit longer. Then for the ears here, we are just going to do a U shape, but the top of the U, we want it to be a little bit closer together, so almost like a bag. So we're going to come down and back up, and we want it to get a little bit closer at the top. Then for the tail, I just did a little V-shaped tail and then curved that line into the ear and added some little tail hairs. Then I also connected the ear to the front of the chest there. Now for the trunk, we're just going to do a bit of a squiggly line going up, just like that. And then we're going to create the trunk by running a line parallel for the length of the trunk. And then we're going to make our head. So our head's going to curve out a little bit and then down into the side of the ear. Beautiful. Now to give it some more dimension, we want to add a little ear line. So we're going to just draw a little line on the inside of the ear. Perfect. Then we're going to start with our balloon. So we're going to make the string for our balloon at the bottom of our trunk. And then above our trunk, we're going to do the top of the string. Beautiful. And then we're going to add our little wrinkles on our nose. So you can just do 3 little lines on your trunk and then add your eye. I just did a dot and then an eyelash. But you guys can do a dot and an eyebrow, or you can do your eyes however you would like. Then for the balloon, we're just going to make a little triangle shape. And then you can design your balloon however you would like. I did a heart, so I started from the bottom and went up, and then started from the bottom again and curved up as well. This just makes the heart look a little bit more balloony in my opinion, but you can make yours however you would like. Beautiful. So now you've got this adorable little elephant, and we are going to start coloring it in. So for the colors, you can choose whatever you'd like. I did a light blue, so I just took a pencil crayon and with a light pressure kind of colored in my whole elephant. You can see there, I'm not pressing super hard. We're just going to lightly go over it and give it a nice wash of color. You can also do your elephant whatever color you'd like. You could do a purple elephant or a gray elephant. Beautiful. Now with a slightly harder pressure, we're just going to add some dimension. So right where the ear tucks into the head, we're going to press a little bit harder, so it's a little bit darker. And then underneath the ear there, where the ear would overlap on the body, we're just going to add a little bit of darkness in those areas. Along the trunk as well, you can add a little bit more pressure just to give it, again, slightly more dimension. So you can see I'm doing that here. So I'm just going into the trunk a little bit to give it some dimension. Amazing. And then I took a light pink color and I went in and lightly, again, with a very light pressure, kind of added some light pink in my ear and then in the mouth area or on the cheeks. I'm not too sure, but in that area, I think it looks really cute. Then for the balloon, I added a little reflection. So I kind of did like a little half moon shape. And then I colored in the whole balloon. So we just colored everything in like that. Again, I didn't apply too much pressure, just kind of colored the whole thing in. And then in some areas along the reflection and along the bottom, I just added slightly more pressure. Beautiful. Then for our reflection, I did a purple reflection, not too sure why, but I thought it looked good. So you can choose whatever color you'd like, and we're just going to try to create kind of a reflection that follows the same shape as our elephant. So we're gonna make our body, and then you can see I'm getting a smaller for the head and then smaller for the trunk. And it kind of reflects the same shape as our elephant. You can continue to go over that until you like the way it looks. So I just kind of blended mine in. And we want it to get lighter as it gets further away from the elephant. So it's darkest at the feet and then lighter further away. Amazing. You did such a wonderful job. Your elephants look adorable. Please share them with us. We would love to see your finished projects and subscribe for more. We'll be posting every week.